Hello, in this informative video, we will thoroughly compare the two largest cryptocurrency platforms, Baybit and Binance, and we will gain a deeper understanding which one is better for trading. If you're choosing, don't miss this video. So, general information about the platform. Baybit is an exchange specializing in spot and margin trading. Here you can trade futures using leverage. The platform is perfect for experienced traders who are looking for a way to increase their profit using leverage. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, offering not only margin and futures trading, but also spot trading, staking, loans, as well as access to the NFT market and many other products. Baybit offers low fees on margin trades, such as fees for makers is 0.075%, while for takers, the percentage is 0.025%. These are some of the most favorable conditions for trading futures in the market. You can reduce the fee on Binance by 10% by using Binance Coin, BNB, for payment. The commission on futures also varies depending on trading volume, but due to the immense liquidity and for a large number of users, Binance will always provide the best prices and fast order execution. Baybit offers leverage up to 100x for margin trading, providing traders the chance to significantly increase their deal size, but also raises risks. Binance also offers leverage for futures trading, but the maximum value may vary depending on the chosen asset. It can reach up to 125x for leverage. Safety. As for safety, both platforms use advanced technologies for account protection, including two-factor authentication and cold storage of funds. However, it is worth noting that in the past, Binance has faced security incidents, such as hacks that was not related to the loss of user funds, but reminded of the importance of implementing safety measures by the users themselves on the platform. Baybit also has excellent security measures and has not had any major incidents since its launch. With safety, both platforms offer a mobile app for convenient trading on the go. Baybit has a more minimalist, trader-focused app, while Binance offers broader opportunities, including access to the cryptocurrency market, futures, staking, and simpler products. Products and opportunities mutually equal on futures and margin. Trading and staking, the perfect platform for those wanting to engage in active trading side by side. Binance is a multifunctional platform suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Support and community. Both platforms offer exceptional quality support for users, however. Binance has many more users, and the community allows exchanging experiences and getting help on forums and social media in networks. Baybit also has support, but its community is smaller. Which platform to choose? Baybit is best suited for experienced traders who want to trade futures and use leverage to increase profit. The platform has a simple and user-friendly interface for derivative trading and good liquidity. Binance is a universal platform suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. If you want to trade not only futures but also participate in staking, lending, or trading in the spot market, Binance will undoubtedly be an excellent choice for traders and investors alike. This exchange is perfect for those who want access to many cryptocurrencies and products. Conclusion. The choice between Baybit and Binance depends on your goals. If you want to trade with leverage and focus on derivatives, Baybit is a great option. If you are looking for a variety of products and cryptocurrencies and want to trade on different markets, then Binance is for you. Platform. Baybit may still block users. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like if this video was helpful. Good luck in trading and see you soon.